In this video, I'm going to show you a reverse shell attack, which means from this caddy VM, the attacker can actually exploit this chat server and log into this Windows 10 VM. Okay, so let's first start this vulnerable chat server. So it works. Now, at this caddy VM, let's start two chat clients. So this is the first one. Okay, good. And then I'm going to start another one. So I'm going to make this big. Let's do this one. Okay, let's call this Shan. Okay, and then here is one, here's one. So let's see if they can talk to each other. Okay, everything looks good. So we are going to deploy the reverse shell attack. Okay, this is the most powerful attack you can actually see. And so let me show you what is going on here. I'm going to my attack script. It's here. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do here. So this is a reverse shell, but I need to change something here. So this part is called shell code. What it does is actually we are going to send this to the chat server. Somehow the chat server is going to run the code here. And this code actually will collecting back to KDVM and will actually start a shell. Okay, so let me see how we actually generate this shell code. Okay, and I have the command here. So you can see, so basically the code will collect back to this IP address. So this should be our caddy VM's IP address. Let me check it. Okay, so let me check it. Sudo fconfig. Okay, so you can see everything is right. So this is a caddy's IP address. Okay, so I need to actually copy the command. I mean here. Okay, and then so let's create it. Okay, so this is the shell code. So let me copy it, copy. Now I'm going to paste the code here. Good. So I'm going to delete the old one because the old one is not right. The address is not right. I'm doing Control K to delete everything here. Good. Let me check if here the IP address is right. Is right. So everything's okay. Good. So we don't need to change anything here. Okay. Good. So let me exit. Okay. And so to actually receive the shell, right? And so I need to actually start another command. And let me see if I can find it or not. This is my history of commands. And okay, let me find the history and see. Okay, good. So I'm going to reuse the old command. So I'm going to use the command at 508. Okay, 508. So this will actually receive the collection from the Windows 10 VM. Okay, and we'll start a shell. Okay, and so we're going to deploy the attack. How can we do that? So let me start another one. Console here. Okay, let's go to here. So what will happen is when I actually deploy this command, this will actually attack the chat server, and somehow, you know, uh, the code, the shell code we just created will run, okay, and the code will actually collect back to our caddy VM. So we'll collect back to this command here. Okay, so we should actually see the Windows console. So let me show you what is going on here. So when I do this, right, actually I should see the Windows console. You can see now, I can see everything here. And so actually, if I do this, this is a caddy VM. Now I'm actually operating on the Windows 10 VM, right? And so let me show you. I want to delete something here to show you we can actually do something bad. See, workshop. Okay, so I'm going to actually delete one of those files. So let me show you here. Okay, Explorer. Where is it? Okay, workshop. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to delete this buffer string copy 2.exe. Okay, I'm going to delete that command, delete that file. Okay, let me see if the name is right. Buffer underscore string copy 2. Okay, so now when I run the command from caddyvm, this file will be deleted. You can see it's deleted. Okay, so this is the reverse shell attack.